Good morning. My name is Jaleel Krias. I am a computer science major, senior at Morehouse College, and today I will have the opportunity to present my software engineer project under the under Dr. Perry, and it is named The Plug. So, why did I choose to make this app called The Plug? So, the issue that we had. At the beginning of every semester at Morehouse, there's always a rush to buy and sell books at the beginning of every semester, and so much more. The underlying problem here was that there was no unifying platform to share information between all three AUC campuses, which happens Morehouse, Spelman, and Clark. So, what does my application offer? The plug or plugged in. It seeks to create a standard form to exchange information between students in the same area. So, what do I mean by information? Uh, Events and also the buying and selling of books is really what my focus was on this project. So, what I really wanted to do was have some kind of something similar to to Instagram or it doesn't come to my head, but the Bubble app, where you have the scrolling feed of different information, different things that are going on around the campus. Um, so the implementation of the plugin. So what did I do? It is an iOS phone application, so I did use Xcode to create this application. And the language that I used was Swift. It was very new to me. I learned a whole lot on my own and with the documentation that was offered to me online. So the way that my application is set up, there's a login screen. In order to have a login, I needed to use uh, um, a database. So the one that I was able to find was called Parse. So Parse is a powerful cloud database that provides many things: push notification services, and has over 13 software development kits for mobile and desktop devices. And I'll go a little bit into Parse later on in my presentation. So the way that it worked, I was, I made my application here, as you can see, is the plug. I named it, and you get this toolkit, the SDK that I installed, and with that, I was given an ID. So for my application, I had to put this code, this client key, and set application ID into my application, my coding, which was in Xcode. So the documentation that I was telling you guys about on Parse was given as such. So as you can see here, you can save objects, which can be like users. As you can see, I tried this, and I was able to save pizza, a description of it, the price. As you can see, the dates and everything go with it. Along along with that, I was able to retrieve objects, which means uh, I was able to go in and then change pizza right after. So, there are many things that you can do with parts. You just have to go in, look at their code and see what you can, go ahead and do on your application. So the users that I was able to make using parse are as follows. Prince. I was testing it out. I was able to put Prince in there. These my parents' name, my name, and this one is just something random that I typed. But in order to keep up with the password, I had to give all of them the same password. So this is what I have created. So the layout of the plug, as you can see, there is a login page here where you can actually sign up and log in, and it takes you. So before you get to this, you're taken to So what I was able to do is have a way to keep up with your followers. So as you can see, this prototype cells is which what you would see is these users that I made the default user use is able to follow every one of these person. And you will see I'll have a demonstration of the application hopefully at the end of this presentation. So after that, you are able to go back into the navigation controller, and from there you can upload an image from your computer into your feed. So what that will enable you to do is to share the events that you would like to share with your users and things of that nature. And next one, this is actually how the importing image works. So you import the image. This button takes you to some default images that are on your device, your iOS device, and you're able to choose that, and it takes you back into a feed. So the next video will be a demonstration of my application. Thank you.